Finance Practice Exercises number 20. You decide to finance a $12,000 car at 3% compounded monthly for 4 years. Okay, so this sounds like a loan. They're asking us what our monthly payments will be. So that $12,000 will be our principal. 3% is our rate. It's compounded monthly. And our time is 4 years. So what will your monthly payment be? So on A, they're asking us for our regular payment amount. So again, we will substitute all these quantities into the appropriate variable into the loan formula. So sometimes some of us like to go ahead and figure out that this is negative 48 here. And as we have been doing, we go ahead and figure out, many of us, what this amount is first. And then once we do that, we take our 12,000 divided by this quantity here. And our regular monthly payment will be $265.61. Okay, that's what they asked for in A. What will your monthly payment be? All right, in B, they said, how much interest will you pay over the life of the loan? Well, you are paying the bank or the lending institution $265.61. You're paying this every single month for 4 years. So the total amount that you're paying to the finance company is $12,749.28. But they asked for interest. Let's just talk about this was total paid. We remember that this is principal plus the interest. So to find the interest, we will take this amount and subtract 12,000 from it, because that's how much we borrowed. And so the amount of interest that we paid is $749.28.